Hey. Quit being blurry. Tell me what we're doing.
Going to the arcade. Playing with tits.
Yay!
Want some fucking oats?
Eat some.
Birdseed.
Quarterman.
Star Wars.
Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill. Are you solving the pinhead puzzle?
Yes, and I heard if you just do one move over and over again, or a couple moves over and over again, it'll solve itself.
That's what I keep hearing.
But I just don't know what it is. I don't know if it's this, and this, or this, and this.
So you guys read the Pink Elephant though?
Here at all? Have you ever? When's the last time you saw him?
I don't remember when.
Right.
My work has my old work has a display, and those checks have been there since 2016.
Holy shit! Why?
Eric is playing one of my favorite games. I want to see if we can get this one with a rock. Can you get one with a rock? You lucked out. That one shoots fire. You're not gonna get him. You're not gonna get him. Now.
This joystick is stupid.
You're just not used to joystick games.
Down.
That one you can only go in certain areas. Get him.
Smart ass motherfucker.
Ooh, you can get him with a rock. You can get one with a rock. I would have gone up. Oh, you lucked out there. You get one with a rock. I think you still got a score though. Nope. You want to try again?
No.
Is that your favorite game?
Fuck that thing.
Food. I am Batman. Alright, Carl, if you're watching this is for you.
Alright.
Banana?
Excuse me.
Which part? Well, I'm back home. I was gonna get, this is a place I've never been before. I forget the name, I'll put it in the, description of the video. But, they had an arcade, they had a few TVs set up. They had a PS4 and Xbox, stuff like that. I wound up actually playing a couple PS2 games, or at least a couple rounds on one of my favorite PS2 games, Star Wars Battlefront. I also played air hockey, which, you know, I would have gotten footage of me playing air hockey, but the footage got ruined because some kid decided to sit down after I started recording, sees me set the camera up, and then sits down and scoots himself into the video. So I wound up deleting the clip because I didn't want to be a creep about it. But I didn't want. I wound up not sleeping well last night. Kind of fell asleep on the way back. So I had fun today, though. It's only 6:30, which means dinner time is going to be coming up soon. So, before I forget, I'm going to ask you the would you rather question. As a man, would you rather live with a permanent 8-inch erection, or would you rather live with a 2-inch penis? Well, I'm going to end the video here, seeing as I'm not going to be recording anything else tonight. If you made it this far, give me a like, subscribe if you haven't, hit that bell notification, and let me know what you think of the videos and any questions I might have asked. I would appreciate an answer to any questions I would have asked in this video.